Pound dollar. Long-term forecast for the week of July 16, fxempire.com. Cable had a wild week as we initially saw a fall in price, as you can see, and it actually managed to break down below the support level that we had at the 155 level. Because of that, it initially looked very bearish and perhaps ready to test the bottom again at 152.50. However, we've got a surge of optimism on especially Friday, but even somewhat on Thursday, and it has changed the look of this pair, at least for the short term. We have a bit of a hammer now, and because of this, it does look like we're going to attempt to reach the top of the consolidation area again at 157. Matter of fact, that's pretty much what we're banking on. It's not until we break 158 that we get truly excited about being long, as we think at that point it starts to aim towards the top up here at 162. If we break down lower and break the bottom of the hammer formed this previous week, we think 152.50 is a given at that point. And then at that question, we have to ask serious questions of whether or not this pair is going to continue to, melt down, fall down, whatever. It would open up the door to 150 immediately. The British pound, however, could suffer in the future, so we think that bounces may be limited and we may be just looking at some type of summer consolidation between roughly 155 and 157 until the traders come back from summer holiday. As the Bank of England looks to continue to ease, it should weigh on the pound overall. So it's hard to gauge these moves as they are in somewhat thin markets. In the current theme, though, in the current atmosphere that we're in, we think that this is going to head to 157 for the short term and then probably continue to bounce around over the next, say, month or so.